Hi, it's me Kavina Vandari. This presentation is about building analysis and model making of Unity Temple. It is located at Oak Park, Illinois. Unity Temple is the greatest public building. It is a stunning masterpiece by Frank Lloyd Wright. It was constructed between 1906 and 1908 and dedicated in 1909. We can see the principles of unity, truth, beauty, simplicity, freedom, and reason as a modern building in one building. This temple was designed and constructed at a time when church architecture remained bound to tradition. Historical significance. In 1905, a lightning strike started a fire which destroyed the wood-framed Oak Park Unity Church. Oak Park resident Frank Lloyd Wright was offered to design a new church, now known as Unity Temple. This building was designed for the Unitarian Universalist congregation. For more than 100 years, the building has continued to be the home of the Unity Temple Unitarian congregation. It is an inspiring house of worship of God and the service of man. This building has served as a center for community gathering and cultural events such as performance, lecture and workshops, meetings and conference. Balconies flanking hall are used as classroom and special purpose rooms. Now talking about materials and methods, Unity Temple is constructed entirely from reinforced concrete cast in wooden molds. The concrete was left uncovered by plaster brick or any other material to let the material of the structure be the material of design. Steel rods reinforced the concrete, but none of this structural steel is visible. These construction techniques were untested at the time and did cause challenges during the building phase. It took over 2.5 years to complete. Now, let's talk about the form of this building. Unity Temple building is ordered as a rigorous system of proportion. The Unity Temple is dominated by its geometrical shapes, mainly with squares and triangles. This building is divided into 3 parts. This center part is a foyer and entrance part, and this square part is for auditorium hall and sanctuary hall, and this double square part is a unity house. The main central exterior volume, topped by the skylight, is 45 feet height. Unity Temple itself is a 66 square feet in width. Unity Temple is considered by many to be the first modern building in the world. The primary central space of the sanctuary of Unity Temple is 33 square feet in plan, 30 feet in height, measured from the floor to the glass of skylight. Now, this part is a north elevation part of the building. East part, west, and a south part. Whole building entrance part is from north side of the building. Here and from here.